Here's how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. I'll show you how to do it in both the Instagram application and the Facebook application as well. So first, talking about unlinking via Facebook, you need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap on the three lines or the user icon in the top right. From this page, you need to go ahead, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and go to Settings. Now from the Settings page, you need to go ahead and tap on Account Center to open it. And from this page, you need to scroll all the way down, and there you'll see this option of accounts. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on Remove, which is beside any Instagram account that you want to unlink or remove. Go ahead and tap on that, and then tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. Now, if you want to do it using your Instagram, go ahead and open your Instagram application. Tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right. Now open your account center. Again, scroll down and tap on accounts. And tap on remove beside any Facebook account that you've linked to. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.